oval. This is oval. Okay. So first make this oval safe. Okay, here. Okay. First make oval safe, and then make one line from here. Okay, like this. First make oval shape and make one line like this. Okay, do this. See, draw. See here, what I do. Draw. Take pencil. Why your pencil? Why your pencil? ওখানে রেখে দাও না।
Please, so we do next day. Please, sir.
Yes, beta. Done that much?
It will be the next day.
Yeah, I go to the next step, beta. Just 2 minutes. Do this. See first, see and draw. What you doing, beta? See. Next steps I do now. See beta here. See circle. Take pencil. Yeah. Take pencil. Yeah. Done all of you. See first what I do. Draw here. See circle oval. Draw oval. Okay. And then what line? Doctor. See what? Now the next step. See the next step, huh? Okay. Make a oval. Make a line like this. Do like this. Okay. Do like this. One. Okay. Done all of you? That's easy. Done? No, don't do nothing. Oh, don't do anything.
Sir, what's the next step?
This. I do. See, make it circle like this. Huh? Don't do anything, huh? Wait. See the next step. See. No, don't do. See here. Make it like. See here. Okay. One. Do. Not here. I do here. See here. What I do. See. One. Go. Yeah. Make. And two. No. Now do. Two. Here. Do. Not here. This. There. See there. Two. See beta. Here. See here. What I do, beta? Take pencil and draw. Okay. Wait. See here, beta. See here. What I do. Now. One. Make this one and two. Do. See, do this. One, two. See over here. Here. See here. Next step. See here. Next step. Make a eyes. No. See here. See here. There. Here, what I do, I draw the eyes, make a circle. One circle, two circle. Make a eyes like this. See eyes? One circle, two circle. Make eyes like this. Aram se. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do like this. Now, no. See here what I do. What I do, you do. Okay, beta. Take pencil properly. Sorry. Take pencil properly.
Sir, what is the next step?
Yeah, I just go. Do this.
Sir, what name of this bird?
Kingfisher.
Sir.
Kingfisher. Make it. See this. Make it here.
Oh, he eats fish.
Here.
That's why
She.
his name is
See what I do here. Go.
Fish Fisher.
Ah. See here again. Make it. Okay. Make it like this. 1, 2, 3.
Sir,
Add. Make it 1, 2, 3, and add it this. Okay. Okay. Right. And make it again. See. 1, 2, 3. Make it again like this.
Sir, can you put the page a little down so we can see the bottom one?
Yeah. Now see.
Now, thank you, sir.
So make it like this. And erasing this circle line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here you can make, see beta, see what I do. Here make 1 curve line, 2 curve line. See. 1, 2. Okay, make 1, 2. Make this. Okay. First do it. No. Okay. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, beta, see, beta, see. Like this. Okay. This kingfisher. Make.
Sir, are we going to like color?
Yeah.
Sir, what? Sir,
Bas.
Sir, are we going to color?
Yeah, this drawing. See, no color now. No color now. I can do color. So make it the. He's sitting on the. He's sitting like this. Some. Tree like this. Make it a tree. Okay. It's sitting over here, and leaf. Make it the leaf like this. Okay. And flower. Okay. Make like this. Okay. Oh. He's sitting the tree. Where is sitting? Make here. Okay.
We did it.
Huh? You did it. Now you did the color, okay? Take your time. If you finish,
Sir, almost.
almost.
There's almost you. I have finished.
Okay.
Sir, I finished.
Okay.
So what now is the video? Should we outline it?
Take your time.
Yeah. Sunday.
Now you can go ahead to making fish. See here. Okay, I draw fish. See, beta. See here. Make it fish. 1, 2, and here make this, make a fish here. And it's eating fish. This is a what fish? This is kingfisher.
Sir, this is Kingfisher. He is eating a fish. What name of that fish?
That fish name is that Ognipro.
No, I'm not.
You are fish.
That is shark.
This is not star. This is this is some normal fish. Better I don't know fish name. This ruhi, katla, ilish, anything else. Okay, now make color. Okay, so let's start the color. So you can see the color. You can see here the color, right? So let's start the color. Aram se first what I showing, you just see. Okay. Take color, mama. Take color. Okay. So I using color. Before I using color, I just want to erase this pencil drawing, and I make it very lightly because otherwise color is becoming damage. So I can erase in maximum pencil drawing. Okay, because I do little dark. Because you guys are see properly, that's why I do dark. So I make it as curve. I make it in with the marker. Okay. This the bird, the call, name.
I'm not have marker. I not want to give marker.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I give color.
So I just mark it like this. Okay, I do just border line. This is a bird on branch. Okay, let's start color. 1, 2, 3. Take the blue color. 1 minute. So I do this blue color here, French ultramarine. If you have French ultramarine, you can put the French. And put the French ultramarine color over here. Aram se, okay? See, beta. Do slowly, mama. Mama, do slowly. Aram se, see. How put color, beta? You just see, beta.
Can I use Persian blue?
Yeah. Color will do na nicely, beta. Make it nicely. Full fill of the color. Aram se karo. See, beta. Okay, wait. See. No spacing, no gap, okay? Yeah, everywhere put color. Everywhere. Not outside. First pick the border. Yes. First pick the border.
Can I use Persian blue?
Yeah. Then you put the color inside, huh? Yeah, I can use the Prussian blue.
So which color are you using?
I'm using French ultramarine blue. Use this brown.
Sir, can you tell the spelling?
French ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue you can use in. Ultramarine blue.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it?
Color is fine, sir. See.
Yes. this is the, I use the brown and the lower part, and upper part I put the same French ultramarine. Okay, Mama, see color. Mama, see color over here and draw. Okay. Very good. Make it the, in top of it, make it the blue. See. Like this. Okay, this part I use the green. See the green, right? Here the green, no? You can see this part is a green, so you can put the green color. Okay.
Madam, mine is not even French ultramarine blue, but ultramarine blue.
Okay. Ultramarine blue also the same. You can use. So we are making the red color on top of it. Eyes obviously black. You can use the black. Row, 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 no than the sea. We live in.
So this is from the rhyme Favorite Lover.
Ah, you are so talented. So,
I told sir.
yes, you are so talented. So make it a little bit of feather like this. Okay. So make the green color. See here, the tree is a green, isn't it? Tree color is a green, so put the green. Okay. So make it green. So if you wish to put color sky, you can put sky color. Okay. See, there's some sky color here and there.